Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change country location on YouTube app and desktop computer. So I'll be showing you how to do this on your mobile devices, but first of all on your laptop computers, as you can see me doing, go to the top right hand corner and click where your profile picture is. Then you'll see this menu here, it will say location, for me it's Australia. Go ahead and click on that. Then it'll bring up all the options for countries and locations you can change to. I'm going to go ahead and click United Kingdom. Then you'll see it's going to change in the top left hand corner there. Now on your phones, you're going to want to click the top right hand corner again where your profile picture is on the YouTube app. Then you'll see here on the accounts page at the bottom where it says settings, you're going to want to click there. Then on this settings page, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down until where it says location. Again, for me it says Australia. Go ahead and click on that. Then you can change it to whichever country you want to again. Just click on which country you want and then it will change, and go ahead and refresh it. Then you'll see like videos recommended, etc. from that country. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the YouTube app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.